Hi guys, here is my newest feather mirror, my bling feather mirror. I think this might be my favorite or my second favorite. I don't know, but I love it. So if you would like to see how I went about making this, stay tuned and here's the video. I'm going to start making these feather mirrors using wooden backgrounds because it's becoming very difficult to find and store cardboard when I need it. This piece of cardboard, I cut this circle from another water box, or a case of water that I had again. But because the bottom of it wasn't big enough, I had to flatten the box and use the sides, which means that they're very pliable and movable. And you don't want that. So in order to make sure that this is dirty, I'm just going to glue some of the popsicle sticks around the perimeter. And when I get the wood backing, I will glue that to this. So that's what I'm doing now, just using hot glue. Just to make it sturdy enough so when I start applying the feathers, it won't curve in. And that's another reason why I've decided to purchase a few of the wooden circle cutouts. Also, I'm using more feathers, which is making it heavier. And in order for it to hang properly, or my attachments to hang properly, I think I will be able to screw some picture hangers into the back of the wood. That way it just won't peel off using the hot glue. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm thinking about making a pink, white, and gray bling feather mirror because I think that would be very pretty. So I have gray, dark gray, well, just gray, pink, and I'm putting the white here. I'm not gluing them, I'm just individually placing them because they have to be cut from the ribbon. If not, by the time I put the ribbon here, it will be covering most of the pink, and I don't want that to happen. I might even have to clip them even shorter so that more of the pink is showing. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to do all the rest of these without the ribbon and individually place the feathers. If not, this will be very, very bulky, and I don't want that to happen. And I can't add any more feathers at the back. They look like they're dipping down, but they're not actually how it's lying down here. So it looks like a little daisy, I guess, or big daisy, not little daisy. I'm going to figure out what I want to do with this, and in the meantime, I'll keep just layering these and cutting them a little bit shorter so more of the pink is showing. And probably have to going to do at least 2 or 3 rows of the white so that it can cover up. So I've got a lot of work to do. I better get cracking. So all I'm doing now, I just try to pull off as many strings as possible, and I'm gonna start gluing this silver flap down on the white feathers very carefully. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time so I can press and hold it over like this. Till it dries a bit. My room looks like a really attacked those chickens. I've got feathers up my nose and my socks everywhere. Okay. You have to be patient with this. You want to learn patience? Do something like this. You booger. I'm gonna have to move it because I'm gonna damage all these feathers. This guy is just a bit big. I think I'm liking the white, pink, and gray. I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted pink, white, and gray. I tried to put the white in the middle, and it was, I don't know, too pale. It was disappearing between the 2 colors. This stuff is expensive to bring into the island, so you don't want to use more than you actually have to. Because if you run out, you have to wait another 2 weeks before you can get some more. Later, the glitter is so harsh. Am I picking that up? Yeah, I think so. Might add some more gray around the perimeter because I put the pink too close to the edge of the gray, so I might have to add some more. But nevertheless, it's shining just like the others. Oh no, I hope that you don't pick up your underpants in the background. Oh my god. That's not me. Not my underpants. That's funny.
That was in reflection.
Oh, that's hilarious. It's called survival. I'm too short, so I have no idea like what I'm capturing. And the sun is glaring, even though it's a November morning or afternoon. Add more black. I might actually sell this. This would look beautiful in a little girl's bedroom or baby's room. I just have to finish taking off the glue things there. I have no idea if this is capturing anything. It's too bright out here. I've got to figure this out. I'm thinking that I might either switch out my black one up there for my pink and gray, or I might sell it. I'm not sure. I have the white one still here. The gray one's upstairs for my sister, but I think the black one is too small. I had some curtains over there and some of these lights over there. So the lights, I took off the curtains. So now the lights are looking a little bit naked over there. So I'll probably take them down. But if I made this bigger, the black one, I think it would look better. But I'm also loving the pink and the gray one here. So I don't know. The pink and gray one is much bigger than the white one. I have no idea how much I used on that one, but she's looking really good, especially against my gray bedspread. I really like that. So I don't know. It's like I always say, maybe I'll sell it. Then I'm like, no, I want to keep it, but then no, I can't keep everything that I make because I don't have enough space in my house for that. So maybe I'll sell the white one and the no. I don't have any more black feathers. I have to get some more black feathers. Make that bigger. Yeah. That would look. This would look so cute. I don't know. We'll see.